Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, here we go again. We are going to study English again with me, Mr. Wapper. And our main topic for now is narrative text. Before we talk about narrative text further, let's find out the core competency and the basic competency of this topic. To make it clearer, I'm going to talk in bahasa Indonesia. Oke, sebelum kita berbicara jauh tentang narrative text, kita akan cari tahu dulu kompetensi inti dan kompetensi dasarnya. Kompetensi inti yang akan kita pelajari pada kesempatan kali ini adalah, ini kompetensi inti yang harus kalian kuasai, yaitu siswa mampu memahami, menerapkan, menganalisis pengetahuan faktual, konseptual, prosedural berdasarkan rasa ingin tahunya tentang ilmu pengetahuan, teknologi, seni, budaya, dan humaniora dengan wawasan kemanusiaan, kebangsaan, kenegaraan, dan peradaban terkait penyebab fenomena dan kejadian, serta menerapkan pengetahuan prosedural pada bidang kajian yang spesifik sesuai dengan bakat dan minatnya untuk memecahkan masalah. Lalu, kompetensi dasar yang harus kalian kuasai pada materi kali ini adalah membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks naratif, lisan dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait legenda rakyat yang sederhana sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. And the indicators. Indikatornya untuk materi kali ini adalah membedakan fungsi sosial teks naratif, yang pertama, dan yang kedua, mengidentifikasi struktur teks. Okay, now let's dive in. Before we talk about narrative text, I have several questions for you. First question. Hi students, how are you? Fine. Great then. And then, did you sleep well last night? I hope you slept very well last night. Next question. Talking about sleep, do you still remember when you were younger? Your parents used to tell you a story before you went to bed. Am I right? Can you tell me some of them? Okay, now here are some pictures that maybe you are familiar with. Look at those pictures. In the picture there are some illustration of some stories, right? The story of Malin Kundang, and then the story of Roro Jonggrang, the story of, Beauty and the Beast, the Red Riding Hood, and many more. Alright, students, now let's talk about the social function or the purpose of narrative text. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain the readers by telling story. To entertain the readers by telling story. Don't forget that. And how about the generic structure? Here are them. The first structure is orientation. In orientation, it is introduced the character and setting of time and setting of place. And then the second is complication. In complication, there will be problem show up. And the last is resolution. In resolution, it is described how the problem is solved. Now, I will give you an example of narrative text. I want you to read all together, okay? Read together with me. Are you ready? Alright, please read. The Legend of King Arthur. Many centuries ago, there was no king in England. One day, the people saw a sword in a rock. The words on the sword were, "My name is Excalibur. Pull me from the rock and you are the king." A lot of men pulled the sword after them, but they couldn't pull it from the rock. Then a boy called Arthur put his hand on the sword. He pulled the sword, and suddenly it came out of the rock. When the people saw Arthur with Excalibur, they saw their new king. Arthur was a good king. In the end, he married a beautiful queen named Guinevere, and they lived in a palace called Camelot. That is the story of King Arthur. Now, let's talk about the structure. Do you remember? The first structure is orientation. From the story that you have read, what is the orientation part? Here it is. Remember, in orientation, it is introduced the character and setting, right? Setting of time and setting of place. Here is the orientation. Many centuries ago, there was no king in England. The setting of time, centuries ago, and then setting of place is in England, right? Next, complication. In complication, problems show up. The problems show up when, okay, here it is. One day, the people saw a sword in a rock. The words on the sword were, "My name is Excalibur. Pull me from the rock and you are the king." A lot of men pulled the sword after them, but they couldn't pull it from the rock. Those are the complications of the story. And the resolution. Remember, in resolution, it is described how the problem is solved. Let's see the resolution of the story. Then a boy called Arthur put his hand on the sword. He pulled the sword. Suddenly, it came out of the rock. When the people saw Arthur with Excalibur, they saw their new king. Arthur was a good king. In the end, he married a beautiful queen named Guinevere, and they lived in a palace called Camelot. Those are the resolution of the story. Okay, now let's sum up again. Narrative text. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain or to amuse the reader. And then the structure, orientation, right? In orientation, it is introduced characters and setting, either setting of time or setting of place. And then complication. In complication, problems show up. And the last is resolution. In resolution, it is described how the problem solved. Okay, students, that is narrative text. I hope you can understand the material. Right? Thank you for watching. Keep studying, and see you again. I'm Mr. Wapper. Say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.